Tell me what happened with the dog.
I was walking home from school and across the street, and a lady was coming up towards me with the dog and baby stroller. And
So she had a baby stroller. That was this lady here?
Yes. And while I was getting closer, the dog was like jumping around and making growling noises, and she was saying, "Don't do it to the dog." And
She said, "Don't do it"?
Yes.
Was she holding onto the leash?
Yeah, she had the leash on her hand while she was holding onto the string.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, that is false.